This segment is brought to you by Virginia 811. Remember to always contact Virginia 811 before you dig. Learn more at va811.com.
All right, guys, we know that Halloween is around the corner, and Patricia, of course, you know, that means scary things and treats of all sorts, right?
Yummy, yummy.
Right. Well, as you can see, what we have here, Virginia 811 has inspired us to do something pretty cool where we can, you know, use food. This is called a dirt Sundae. It's not as, well, it doesn't taste bad like it sounds, right? It's not really dirt, but we're gonna go over all that. But most importantly, for parents and kids, it can help teach them what's below before you dig. Very important. So
and what
to
a
Virginia
smart
811.
way, what a smart way for Virginia 811 to teach us while we have the chance to prepare these delicious cupcakes someday. So let's start with the ingredients. How about that?
Okay.
First of all, I wanna see your abilities in the kitchen. Can you bake?
Don't worry about me baking. I'll just give you the instructions. I'll let you mix it. Okay. All right. So there's the ingredients
we
there.
need some whipped topping, milk, Oreos cookies, gel pudding also, and gummies.
Gummies or airheads or sour strips, right?
Yep,
so we definitely have all of that. And first, let's just start with some of the ingredients. So I know that we need 2 cups of milk.
Okay,
so I'll pour 1 cup of milk and get another cup while you put some Jell-O in there.
Okay, I'm gonna show right
All
here.
Right. Yep.
We're gonna
so
use it
there's
all.
another cup of milk. Are you done with the Jell-O, Patricia?
No, I'm
It shouldn't take you that long to pour Jell-O out. Just
Wait a minute. You don't know the most important ingredient in the kitchen is love. So I'm doing it with love.
Okay, well, that's too much love. Hate it, okay? That's way too much love.
Okay.
Get all this, boom. This girl
Okay,
was
that's
taking
all.
all the time.
I was saving a
to
little
do
bit
all
for
that.
later.
Okay, so what's next
The next one is-
we've got to have some whipped cream, okay? So have you stirred it yet?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So
we're
just
gonna
one,
start-
just a little bit of whipped cream.
Ooh.
All right, so are you kidding me? I said a little
You
bit.
say a
of
little
whipped-
bit. I think we need it all.
Okay, all right.
It's gonna be very rich.
Okay, so good whipped cream. All right. So next, after that, you want to make that until it becomes a congealed substance. all right?
So you know how to bake.
Well, yeah,
Quincy.
just keep stirring. Like don't put love into that. Okay, just
I
stir
am.
it really good. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, get it all the way. Good. You see what they look now? That looks like
Okay,
mud.
now it looks yummy.
It looks like mud. So
looks
we're
like
almost
mud.
close to a dirt Sunday. This is actually
That's the idea,
a muddy
Quincy. Let's
Friday.
put a little bit more
what it-
because I need a
like
little
they
more.
didn't say put the whole container. You know what? This is
But
why
we
I'm
need
not
it.
doing it. This is why she's
gonna be
okay.
yummy. Okay.
So
Next.
look. Next is we got to add some very tasty cookies.
Yes,
okay?
Oreo. Those are my favorite ones.
And we get a chance to eat them and take a.
No. Quincy, you can't eat them.
Okay,
This is for baking.
I'll
Oh my God.
stir. Oh, you put the cookies in there.
Okay, show the camera.
Oh,
So we'll
good.
do them. So next step, we have to put like a 6 or 8 cookies. Not the whole
Yeah, you throw those
packet.
cookies in there,
And,
and then you got to put the top on nicely.
Okay.
And this is what you call stirring with love.
Okay, let's see. And give me a second. Woo! Look at that. This is our dirt. Oop. Yep. Perfect. I got it.
Great.
Okay, we have our dirt ready.
All right.
We have the mix ready here. So now
All right.
let's go to talk about the important parts of the colors, the cookie
Right.
colors.
So we have these sour patched little thingamajiggers, little worms that's going to represent our utility lines, okay? Pretty
And
cool.
also, we have the orange ones that means communication. All your communication in your house, you lay in communication.
Okay.
And everything.
All right, so stick that at the bottom of your
Okay.
cup. All right, because that can be at the bottom. Here's a red one, okay? An electric line is a red line, as you see on that first one, okay? She already talked about the orange line. So the yellow line, this is your gas line, okay? Gas, petroleum, things of that nature. And you got a green one.
I have the green one. The green one is the sewers and the drain lines.
Sewers and the drain lines, and of course, there's a blue line, and that's for portable water.
Okay.
That's
So
pretty
that's gonna be on my
self-explanatory.
cup right there.
Okay, so now,
now we're gonna
once
put some
we put
dirt.
these here, we've got
Okay,
some
we're
at the
gonna
bottom. Okay,
Oh,
that's
this is
good
some
dirt. That's good dirt. All right.
Okay.
Cool. And you got more dirt than I do. Here, I'll go ahead and I'll pour some of this. This is yours.
Ooh, that looks
Ooh,
yummy.
I don't know what type of yummy you like, but that is nice. Right, we got the lines there at the bottom, and then we're gonna throw some other lines here that can kind of sit on top.
You know that
There's
some
a
of
water
them, Quincy,
line.
they're not going all the way on the bottom.
Hold
Like
on,
at the
I'm putting the
so
sewer
one
line
of
in
them-
yours. Ew,
That
sewer.
one goes on
All
the
right.
top. Okay.
All right, so now let's go ahead and give a good, are we supposed to cheers?
Cheers.
Okay,
We're
so
gonna
this
try.
is a dirt Sunday. Oh.
Well, thank you so much to Virginia 811 because this is an amazing recipe, and also you can share with your kids and learn the importance of these.
It's always important to know what's
communication
below
ways.
before you dig. You got to call Virginia 811.
Call the professionals.
Yes.